Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So today we're going to show you, we got that Scion FR-S. That's one of the main builds on our main channel, and we got control arm, so that's what we're replacing today. It's the passenger side control arm. Ours is pretty bent. I'll show you what happened right here when the car got hit. You can see that's what the control arm should look like. Okay, let me get it right there. This one, and that's what ours is. You can see how bent that thing is. So now, of course, we need to remove that, the old one, install the new one. We'll show you how to do that on Scion FR-S or Subaru BRZ. It will be the same procedure for Scion FR-S or Subaru BRZ, Toyota GT86 as well. So what you need to do, of course, take the tire off. You don't need to disassemble any of the body parts, like the fender here, the bumper. Ours is just wrecked and we're taking it apart. And now with an 18mm socket right here underneath, okay, we need to remove that bolt and the one right there. So we have two that we need to remove there. We got them so we can save you guys time and just show you quick what you need to do. Now we have the same bolt right there that we need to remove. Okay, let me show you this one right there. And the nut is on the other side. Once you take the nut off, the bolt, leave the bolt there now. And we also have one nut, okay, right there with 17 that we need to remove. We took that one off already, and now you need to hit it with the hammer there on the hub. Okay, we'll show you so it can pop loose. Okay, it did. Okay, it should come out of there now. If you press down, you can pull it to the side. Okay, like that. And now we need to go ahead and remove that bolt that we left there. That's the only thing left now. And you might need to unscrew that one because the thread will be stuck in the suspension there. Okay, and once it gets loose, that's what the bolt looks like. And we should be able to drop the control arm down now. It's loose on the side towards the hub, and all we have is the other two sides now. So it's pretty bent, so it's definitely not easy. Hey guys, the camera always does it right. Okay, and this is the one that's bent. You can see how bad that thing is. Yeah, definitely. And this is the new one. You can see the difference right there. Alright guys, we're ready to proceed. We got everything to the point that I think we're ready to install the control arm. Now it's the moment to see if it's going to fit, because if something's not right and we have something else, you know, you never know, another suspension damage, the subframe could be bad as well. So now we need to see if it's going to fit. Okay, so we need to go here first, again, and then we need to go there to the side and just push it in. We need to help it a little bit because the bushing, okay, right there, it should go in. Let's see now. Okay, finally got it in. Everything looks good. It's lining up so far. We need to take it for an alignment and see if everything's good, because definitely probably we'll be a little bit out of alignment. We'll be able to tell once we drive the car too. I mean, if it's too bad, you'll be able to tell. Okay, so we got the bolt in now. So now after you get it in, guys, all we need to do, just put the nut here, get that bolt tight. You need to connect, and we're going to connect it to the wheel hub, okay? And you need to put everything back together, but other than that, that's most of the work. So don't forget to put that plate right here on the front.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.